In Ethiopia, soldiers from the main rebel group took control of the capital Addis Ababa today. They overran the city in about 3 hours. Also, U.S. brokered peace talks concluded in London. We have more from Liz Donnelly of Independent Television News.
The Ethiopian rebel umbrella group, the EPRDF, arrived at today's talks in London, their hand greatly strengthened by their capture of Addis Ababa overnight. They were joined by the Eritreans, the EPLF, who've been fighting for independence for 30 years. But there was no sign of the Ethiopian Prime Minister, clearly angered by developments in the past 24 hours. The talks were hosted by the United States, which wants to see a broad-based transitional government in place as soon as possible, and democratic elections in less than a year. Observers had expected the Ethiopian government might stand in the way of such a proposal, but in their absence, an agreement in principle was announced within hours.
The EPRDF, EPLF and OLF have agreed to hold a follow-up conference not later than July 1 to discuss the details of the transition period in general and the formation of a broad-based provisional government in particular.
In the meantime, it was agreed that the rebel umbrella group, the EPRDF, would take control of the country from Addis Ababa.
The rebel chief who took over as Ethiopia's interim leader pledged to form a broad-based provisional government within a month. He also said famine relief aid could now be distributed smoothly, and he called on foreign